Give me a countdown, guys. Give me a countdown. All right, give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hello, buddy. Hello, guys. Hope you're one day. And today, guys, we are celebrating something very special in today's video, and that special thing is we hit 100 subscribers. Yay! Whoa! Yeah. We're also celebrating another thing, which is that I've been on YouTube for a year now. Well, technically 11 months, but in like 2 weeks, I would officially be on YouTube for over a year. So thank you for this fantastic year, and thank you for 100 subs. I just want to say that. And today, to celebrate these two things, we are going to have a 50,000 fireworks show. So as you can see behind me, all those events will shoot out fireworks, and I calculate to around 500,000. But that's just one stack in each dispenser. If you fill up the entire dispenser, you're looking around, I want to say 100,000 to 150,000. But let's get out of the way. I just want to say that I'm sorry for not posting the last 10 days, and I have a very good reason. Okay, so my laptop that I have recorded literally every single video that I've ever posted on this channel on, it was acting up, and I had to take it to Best Buy to get it fixed. I took it up last Sunday of the recording of this video. It took 2 days to fix. I went up, I got it, I took it back home. It didn't work still. I took it back. 2 days later, I get it. I bring it home. It doesn't work. I bring it back. And then finally, they fix it. So that's my reason for not posting, and I'm sorry for that, but let's get right into this awesome fireworks show. So, yeah, so as you can see, literally every single one is filled with fireworks. And it's going to spell out 100 subs, so alright, guys, give me a countdown, guys. Give me a countdown. Alright. Give me a countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Boom! Oh my god, oh my god. Yeah! Let's see. Oh my god, hold on. I need to stop this, hold on. Oh my god, what now? Yeah! Yeah, let's go! Yeah! Yeah. Thank you guys so much for 100 subscribers. This means the world to me. Let's go. I'm gonna let that run in the background. Let's just watch it. Yeah. It's gonna get a little bit laggy. It should be fine though. Oh my god. Let's see. Let's just fly over here so I can talk to y'all without that noise over there. But thank you guys so much for this awesome year to YouTube. Thank you guys so much 400 subs, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button at the bell so you know it's awesome video posted. This really helped me out and helped me create even bigger and awesome and more awesome videos. And yeah, this video is gonna be like a really short one, so that that was the 50,000 fireworks special for 100 subs, and well, bye.